Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create YouTube Shorts using InVideo. Creating YouTube Shorts with InVideo is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First of all, log into your InVideo account. Once you are on the dashboard, click on the Create a Short Video option. Now select YouTube Shorts as your format. This ensures your video is optimized for the vertical viewing experience. Write your topic or title in the provided field. This helps guide the template selection and gives your video a clear focus. Now click continue. InVideo will start processing your video. This might take a moment, so sit tight. Then select continue and boom, your video is ready. Review the final product to make sure everything is perfect. Download the video and upload it to your YouTube. Don't forget to add shorts, hashtag shorts in the title or description to categorize it as a YouTube short. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.